For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Community-supported agriculture, CSA, is a powerful model that connects farmers directly with local consumers who commit to buying shares of seasonal produce. A CSA farm business can bring fresh food to your community while giving you a sustainable income as a farmer. With the support of free AI tools, the process of starting and managing this kind of venture becomes more efficient, cost-effective, and accessible. This step-by-step guide will walk you through launching a CSA farm using free AI tools to help you plan, market, manage, and grow your business successfully. Step 1. Define your CSA business model. The first step is understanding how your CSA farm will operate. Decide on what type of produce or products you'll offer, how often you'll distribute shares, weekly, bi-weekly, etc., and the pricing model. Consider whether you'll offer full shares, half shares, or even specialty shares like flowers or eggs. Use ChatGPT to help refine your model. A prompt like, "Act as an agricultural business consultant. Help me design a CSA farm business model that includes crop selection, pricing structure, and delivery frequency for a small farm in your location." Will give you a strong starting framework. Step 2. Conduct market research. To understand demand in your area, research local demographics, food preferences, and competitors. You can use free tools like Google Trends to gauge interest in local food and CSA subscriptions in your region. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Act as a market research analyst. Provide a market analysis for a CSA farm business in your city/state, including target customer segments, pricing sensitivity, and competitor overview. Google Forms can also help you create a free customer survey to test interest and gather data from potential members. Step 3. Create a business plan. A business plan helps formalize your idea, secure funding, if needed, and stay organized. Your plan should include an executive summary, mission, operations plan, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Ask ChatGPT. Create a business plan outline for a CSA farm business, including crop planning, financial goals, marketing strategy, and risk mitigation. Then follow up with more detailed questions like, generate a 12-month financial projection for a CSA farm with 50 subscribers paying $500 per share. You can also use Notion or Google Docs to write and organize the plan for free. Step 4. Plan your crops and production calendar. CSA farms require careful planning to ensure a steady supply of produce throughout the season. Choose crops that are in demand, suited to your climate, and spaced out in their harvest times. Try ChatGPT with this prompt. Act as a crop planning assistant. Help me create a planting and harvesting calendar for a CSA farm in USDA zone, your zone, that delivers produce weekly from May to October. You can also use AI tools like FarmOS, open source farm management software, to map out and manage your planning schedule. Step 5. Build a brand and online presence. A strong brand builds trust and loyalty. You'll need a farm name, logo, and website. Use Canva's free AI-powered design tools to create logos, social media graphics, and flyers. Host your site on a free platform like WordPress.com or Cardi.co. For content ideas, try this ChatGPT prompt. Act as a digital marketer. Suggest a name, tagline, and brand story for a CSA farm that promotes healthy eating and local sustainability. To develop a simple website, ask. Write website content for the homepage of a CSA farm business, including a welcome message, subscription details, and contact form. Step 6. Develop a marketing plan. Marketing is crucial to attract and retain members. Use social media, email campaigns, and local events to spread the word. Free AI tools can automate content creation and help with strategy. Ask ChatGPT. Create a 3-month marketing plan for launching a CSA farm business using free or low-cost digital marketing tactics. Then follow up with, Generate 10 Instagram post ideas promoting the benefits of joining a CSA program. MailerLite or Substack are free tools to send newsletters to your subscribers and build community engagement. Step 7. Set up operations and logistics. Decide how you'll grow, pack, and deliver your produce. Will members pick up boxes from a farm, or will you deliver? What materials will you need for packing? Use ChatGPT with a prompt like, create an operations checklist for running a weekly CSA box program, including harvest, packing, delivery, and customer communication. You can also track tasks and to-dos using free project management tools like Trello or ClickUp. Step 8. Manage finances and pricing. Determine how you'll handle payments, track income and expenses, and reinvest profits. Decide on your pricing and whether you'll collect full payments upfront or offer installment plans. Ask ChatGPT. Suggest a pricing model for a CSA farm offering weekly produce boxes for 20 weeks, including installment and early bird discount options. You can use Wave Accounting, free, to track finances and generate reports. Step 9. Communicate with members and collect feedback. Maintaining customer relationships is key. Use free tools like Google Forms for feedback, WhatsApp for quick updates, or email newsletters to keep members engaged. Use ChatGPT to craft your communications with a prompt like, write a welcome email to new CSA members that outlines how the program works, when boxes will be delivered, and how to give feedback. For surveys, ask, create a short customer satisfaction survey for CSA members, asking for feedback on product quality, variety, and delivery experience. Step 10. Evaluate and adjust. After your first season, evaluate what worked and what didn't. Look at feedback, financial performance, and operational efficiency. Use this information to make improvements for the next season. Use ChatGPT to help summarize and interpret your data. Try a prompt like, help me analyze end-of-season CSA survey results and identify top areas for improvement in crop selection, communication, and delivery. You can also ask, suggest changes to my CSA farm business model to improve efficiency and customer retention. Conclusion. Starting a CSA farm business can be a deeply fulfilling endeavor that benefits both you and your local community. With the strategic use of free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Google Forms, and FarmOS, the journey becomes more manageable and scalable. These tools can help you think through strategy, automate tasks, improve customer communication, and reduce startup costs. Whether you're launching your first season or scaling up, AI can be your smartest farmhand, helping you build a resilient, community-powered food system. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.